Let's graph the solutions for the inequality in number 3. Step 1. Read the inequality. We read the variable by reading the statement, solutions are all values greater than or equal to 7 as our starting point. How did we read the inequality? We read the inequality by reading solutions are all values whenever we see the variable, then we read the inequality symbol, and then the starting point number. Step 2. Graph the start point using the correct circle type. The starting point is the value 7. The start point comes from that solved inequality statement, and that's the value 7. So at 7, we're going to have a circle. Let's determine which one to use. Is 7 a solution to this inequality? If it's not, we use the open circle. If it is, we use the closed circle. And in this case, it can be equal to 7, so 7 is a solution. So we are going to use the closed circle as our starting point at 7. How did we graph the starting point? We graphed the starting point using a closed circle at 7. We got 7 from the solved inequality statement, and we got the closed circle because we know that the value 7 is included as a solution. Step 3. Graph the direction arrow. Now which way are we going to go? Do we want to get all the values greater than or all the values less than 7? And from that statement, we want to go greater than. So all the values greater than 7 go in that direction, and here is our final graph of the inequality. How did we complete the graph of the inequality solution? After using a closed circle, because it was or equal to 7, we knew that we had to get all the values that were greater than, and so our arrow goes in the direction of the values greater than 7. The solutions are all values greater than or equal to 7. Now before you move on to problem number 4, we can add a little bit more to our chart down here. The starting point, not a solution, we will get that every time we are using a less than or a greater than symbol without the or equal to. The start point will be a solid circle whenever we are dealing with symbols that are or equal to. The or equal to means that the start point will be a solution, and so we're going to use a closed circle whenever we have those two symbol types. You are now ready to graph the solution of the inequality in problem number 4.